down the inside again. 2x2 down the back straightaway. What is going on, you yellow submarines? My name is Joe Donohue, and welcome to Long Beach, California, the site of the 2019 IRA YouTube IndyCar Series Race 7, the Robby Noonan Grand Prix of Long Beach. 6 laps around this beautiful street circuit for, I believe, the 4th time in this series will be led to the green flag by an autonomous car. The robo race car will be the honorary pace car for today. Devin Kelleher on the pole. We do have a regular pace car to come in after that, and you see the rest of the starting lineup here as so, including a one-time entry of Dustin Stanhope in the 3 car, everybody else full-time. Getting ready to go now. I don't really have anything else to say, so the boring part ends and we get to start these beautiful V6 engines. Alrighty, kids, 6 laps, 22 cars, green flags in the air, and let's get it going down through Shoreline Drive and into the first few corners. Oh, car in the wall! It's Jordan Marusio already! We have a yellow flag on the start, and we've got one in the tire barrier and one on the inside wall. Looking at the replay, Derek Lewis cut the corner a little too close and pushed Jordan Marusio into the tires. That ends both of their days, and the green flag comes back out. We got 1 lap down. Brandon Burt leads the way. Pole sitter Devin Kelleher now moved back to second. David Land in the 91 car in 3rd place. 4th is Aaron Harris, last time's winner. Brandon Burt leads the lap, and Devin Kelleher stays in line. It looks like everybody's just trying to get through the midpoint of this race before making any desperate moves. A flyby of the field shows the running order. Brandon Burt still your leader on board. And coming through the hairpin one more time, we complete another lap. Brandon Burt still leading. Devin Kelleher, David Land, Aaron Harris, and John Whitaker. That's the top 5 as they run. Continuing to run the line. Oh, there goes Casey Favada past John Whitaker for 5th position as we come to the line. 2 laps to go for Brandon Burt, leading the way still. He's led the majority of this race. It's a flyby past the fountain turn again. Noonan and Damon. Oh, there goes Joe. Devin Kelleher's the leader of this race, and David Land gets up into second. The white flag comes out. We've got a new leader. It's Devin Kelleher, and David Land putting pressure on the Penske car now. Half a lap for the Penske car. Can he hold on? David Land look down the inside. He goes again. Oh, there goes Devin Kelleher. He's in the wall. And there goes a car over the barrier. Pandemonium ensues, and David Land is going to win at Long Beach. They come across the line, and thank God they're done racing, because that got hectic quick. We've got 2 replays here. We'll start with the lesser of the 2 evils here. David Land goes down the inside, and Kelleher just overshoots the turn, gets into the top side, and breaks the suspension. He does get to the end of the race. This one, though, Aiden Shepard. Good sensor, the catch fence, baby, and he goes over the back end of Micah Damon. But David Land, first win since 2016, and it's with his own car. Aaron Harris got first last time, 2nd place, great finish. Casey Favada's best finish in this series, 3rd place. Brandon Burt 4th, and Devin Kelleher got 5th. Those were 6th through 10th, 11th through 15th, and 16th, 17th, 18th with the 4 cars that did not finish today's race. That concludes a very hectic Robby Noonan Grand Prix of Long Beach. Thank you to the track crews for helping out with these balls to the walls crazy drivers in today's amazing race. It was a good time. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the installment of the IRA YouTube IndyCar Series you saw today. Congratulations, David Land, for winning your 2nd race in the series. Need not fear, folks. Next time we race will be the Iowa Twin 200s. We're looking forward to seeing you guys come out next time.